Do you know you can get paid just by rating AI? Welcome back to my channel, lovely people. So in today's video, we are going to be learning about a site that pays you to rate AI model. So all you need to do is put in your prompt and then it gives you answers, and you choose the answer that you feel that you love better, and you provide your feedback. So that's basically all you're doing, and then you get paid for using the site. So what the site does is it compares AI models from over 700 models, and it gives you two from the over 700 models, and you choose. So it gives you answers from models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Krog, Cloud AI, Lume, and so on and so forth. So once you ask it any question, it gives you two answers from different models, and all you need to do is choose the answer that you feel that you love more, and you provide your feedback, and by so doing you get paid for it. Isn't that amazing? So instead of using models like ChatGPT and the likes for free and not getting paid for it, so why not use this model? Why not use the site and start a chance of cashing out in dollars? So in this video, in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to register on the site, how to answer questions, how to choose the model you want, and how to fill your profile. And I'm also going to be showing you how to cash out. So you can cash out with your PayPal, crypto, and the like. So if you're having issue with your PayPal, this is a very good opportunity because you can cash out with your crypto, and also bank account, wise bank account. So without further ado, let us get started. The name of this site is Yupp AI. Okay, so it pays you to answer and pick the questions, and it pays you to pick the model that you love the most. Okay, so in order for you to get to this part, just copy the link in description box or the pinned comment, and you paste it in your browser. So once you paste it in your browser, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, in order for you to register on the site, you need to sign in with Google. Okay, so you need to sign in with Google. That is the only option for now. So this is a site, every AI for everyone. Check out the best answers from the latest AIs for free. Win rewards, shape the future of AI. So the way you earn is that you answer questions, and the feedback that you give to them is used to train future AI models. So that is how you get, and that is why you get paid. Okay, so now we are ready to register. So you click on sign in with Google, and you sign in with any of your Google accounts. So you choose any of your Google accounts that you want to sign on with, that you want to sign in with. So I'm going to be clicking on sign in with Google and choose the Gmail accounts that I want. So I'm going to be signing in with my email. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to continue. So you choose any email and then you sign in. So after you must have logged in, so it's going to bring you to this. So A Nelson, write your first prompts. Like I said, you are going to write your prompts and you choose the one that you feel you love the most, provide your feedback, and you get paid. So what should we ask it? Okay, what is the easiest way to make my first $1,000 online? So send prompts. So you can ask it any question of your choice. Okay, so we choose two top AIs for this prompt. I told you they're going to give you two separate models. Okay, so this is my question, so we have two responses. So the first one is from Queen 3 Max.
and the second one is from GPT. So you go ahead and you read through all of this. It's very important that you read through them so that when once you want to give your feedback, you know exactly what you are talking about. So once you read through it and you prefer the first one, you choose that. But if you prefer the second one, you read through it as well and you click on I prefer this.
So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to click on I prefer this. So why was this response better? I'm going to click on insightful and style. So you can choose
You want to work with. Now, the better your response, the more valuable they think you will become to their team. So you have to give valuable feedback, valuable response in order for them to rate you high that this person is actually here for the work and not for the money. I hope you understand. So give them very good feedback, something constructive. If it's not good, give them a constructive criticism.
So I'm just going to write something like this.
This I prefer this response because it was detailed and I prefer this response because it was detailed and I love the style it was written in. It's made it very easy to understand and assimilate. So I think I'm good with this. So I prefer this response because it was detailed. I love the style it was written in, and it's made it very easy to understand and assimilate. So I'm going to click on send feedback. Okay, so after you've sent your feedback, they're going to bring this scratch to win credit. So you're going to scratch. So yup, you won 5,000 credits. 1,000 credits is $1. Okay, so we're going to click on take me to the home page.
Okay, so now you need to fill in your profile. So you can say our country, now the age. I'm going to be choosing 26 to 39. Then my education level, I'm going to be choosing masters. Occupation, you can write anything you want. So I'm going to IT manager.
Then I'm going to click on get started now. Okay, so now what you need to do is to keep on asking questions. So the more questions you ask, the better it is for you. And by so doing, you are helping them train the AI models, future AI models by your answer. So in order for them to trust you more, please make sure that you give a very constructive feedback. Okay, don't do a half-ass job and then you just click on send feedback. Okay, so let's click on this. So now let's click on profile in case you want to edit your profile. So you click on edit profile. So if you want to edit profile, you just click on edit profile like this. So you can see that we have 5,000 available Yup credits. Okay, so if you want to change any of your profile, just go ahead and you can see top model is Queen 3 Max in instruct. So the more answers you give, the more you use this, the better. And please do not abuse it. Okay, so you can just use it just few times in a day because there are limits. Okay, your cash out for a day, the limit is 10,000 Yup credit. Okay, and in a month the highest you can cash out is 50 Yup credits, and that is $50. Okay, so please let us put that in mind that you cannot cash out more than 50,000 Yup credits in a month. Okay, they are doing this in order to regulate how people, once people know about this, they can try to abuse it. Okay, so please put that in mind.
All right, so now let's talk about cash out. So I'm going to be clicking on my icon on the top right corner here, this N. So I'm going to click on it. So now see, cash out is not enabled. Cash out is a privileged feature enabled only for a small subset of users available based on the activity. That is why I said it's very important for you to give quality feedback so that they're going to trust.
So the fact that you're on this platform does not mean you're going to automatically cash out. You also have to do the job. So if you keep giving high quality feedback, then they are going to enable the cash out. So within a week to um 2 weeks, your cash out button should be enabled, and then you can go ahead and you cash out. So you can cash out with your PayPal account, or you can cash out with your bank account, Wise bank account, or crypto. So you can cash out with all of these. So keep on giving quality feedback, and then once they see that you're trustworthy, they're going to open this cash out. So make sure you try this out if you think that you can earn with this. So just try and just try it out. If you don't try it out, you don't know if it's going to pay you or not. And make sure you do the work so that you do not complain. So if you're going to be trying this out, let me know in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching this video from as well. Okay, so if you want to earn money online and you want a detailed mentorship as well, you can get my course, Online Income Accelerator. So in this course, you are being taught how to make your first 200 to 1,000 pounds doing different type of tasks. So if you would love to do that, just click on the link in my bio and you get the course. Okay, so it's very detailed and it's full of goodies. Okay, so please make sure you join and then you start earning. We're about to enter a new year. Please make sure that you are not leaving any money on the table, and know that we use money to make more money. So I remain your tutor. Anything that has to do with money and making money, both online and offline. So if you have any question, just put it in the comment section, and if you try this out, put it in the comment section as well. Let me know, and let me hear your feedback if you're able to cash out with this, or if you're having any challenge with it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.